Fashion is ever evolving, and what's hot today might be past tomorrow. Curious if your wardrobe is keeping up with the times? Let's dive into the fashion trends that are out in 2025. 1. The decline of quiet luxury. Remember the quiet luxury trend, characterized by understated designs and minimal branding. In 2025, this subtle approach has been overshadowed by a resurgence of bold self-expression and maximalism. Fashion enthusiasts are now embracing vibrant colors and statement pieces, moving away from the muted tones of quiet luxury. 2. The demise of skinny jeans. Skinny jeans have had a long run, but in 2025, they're taking a backseat. The fashion scene is now dominated by relaxed fit, wide leg and baggy jeans, offering both comfort and style. This shift reflects a broader move towards more relaxed silhouettes. 3. The end of method dressing. Method dressing, curating outfits to match specific themes or roles, has seen a decline. In 2025, authenticity reigns supreme, with individuals favoring personal style over orchestrated looks. This trend encourages mixing and matching pieces that resonate personally, rather than adhering to a set theme. 4. The shift from athleisure. While athleisure dominated wardrobes for years, 2025 marks a shift towards more tailored and polished looks. People are gravitating towards outfits that balance comfort with sophistication, moving away from purely sporty aesthetics. 5. Moving beyond neutral palettes. Neutral color schemes have been a staple, but 2025 brings a burst of color back into fashion. Vibrant hues and playful patterns are taking center stage, allowing for more expressive and individualized styles. 6. The decline of microtrends. In recent years, microtrends, those fleeting styles that rise and fall within months, have dominated fast fashion. However, in 2025, there's a noticeable shift towards enduring styles and vibes that reflect personal identity over transient fads. This change emphasizes sustainability and individuality, moving away from the rapid consumption of short-lived trends. 7. The fade of neon colors. Neon colors lit up our wardrobes in recent years, but in 2025, these vibrant hues have dimmed. The fashion scene now favors earthy tones and muted palettes, offering a more understated and timeless aesthetic. 8. The end of microbags. Microbags, while adorable, have proven impractical for everyday use. In 2025, functionality takes precedence, with the resurgence of larger, more accommodating handbags that blend style with utility. 9. The retreat of logomania. Logomania, characterized by conspicuous branding, has taken a step back this year. The trend has shifted towards minimalism, with subtlety and understated elegance becoming the new markers of luxury. 10. The decline of fast fashion. Fast fashion's rapid turnover and environmental impact have led to its decline in 2025. Consumers are increasingly embracing sustainable and ethical fashion choices, prioritizing quality over quantity. 11. The decline of ultra-cropped top. Ultra-cropped tops had their moment, but in 2025, they're losing their grip. Fashion is shifting towards more structured, sophisticated silhouettes. Think tailored corsets, longer line tops, and fitted blouses. This doesn't mean cropped styles are completely gone, but the extreme belly their tops are making way for designs that feel more polished and wearable. It's all about balancing skin-bearing pieces with elevated elegance. 12. The overuse of cutouts. Remember when cutouts were everywhere? From dresses to tops, even blazers, it felt like designers were competing to see who could create the most missing fabric on a garment. But in 2025, this trend is cooling down. Instead of over-the-top skin exposure, we're seeing strategic, refined cutouts that add intrigue without looking overdone. It's all about sophistication over shock factor now. 13. The fall of chunky platform sneakers. Chunky platform sneakers had their Y2K revival moment, but let's be honest, not everyone loved walking around in giant moon boots. This year, sleeker and more refined footwear is taking over. Think minimalist sneakers, ballet flats, and structured loafers. The vibe is shifting towards effortless chic rather than exaggerated streetwear aesthetics. 14. The death of sheer everything. Sheer outfits dominated red carpets and street style for years, but in 2025, the full sheer look is taking a backseat. Instead, designers are favoring layered transparency, like sheer overlays, subtle mesh details, and structured see-through elements that feel intentional rather than over the top. It's about embracing the idea of sheer without making it feel like an afterthought. 15. Statement belts are gone. A few years ago, statement belts were a go-to for defining the waist and adding drama to an outfit. But in 2025, they're officially out. The oversized, flashy belts have been replaced by sleek, barely their styles, or in many cases, no belt at all. The focus is now on well-tailored pieces that naturally accentuate the body without needing a huge belt to do the job. 16. The death of overly distressed denim. Ripped jeans will always have a place in fashion, but the days of extreme distressing where jeans looked like they'd barely survived a shredder are over. In 2025, clean, structured denim is winning. Fashion is moving towards polished, casual rather than chaotic. The thing about fashion trends is they don't really die, they just evolve. If you love a style that's considered out, you don't have to ditch it completely. Fashion is all about personal style, and the key is knowing how to adapt trends in a way that works for you. But if you want to stay ahead of the curve and avoid looking outdated, these are the styles that are officially taking a backseat in 2025. What do you think? Are you happy to see these trends go? Or are you holding on to some of them? Let me know in the comments.